Are you swimming? Are you gonna swim? Show me your swim. Jump! Jump, Caleb. Red and blue mixed together make purple.
Red and blue mixed together make blue.
Okay.
Red and blue mixed together make blue.
Well, one of my friends, she
Red
has a
and
little
blue
defiance
mixed
there.
together make blue.
Usually he remembers the book word
Red
for
and
word. It's a
blue
surprise. You okay? You're okay. Cough, cough. You okay?
Red and blue mixed together make blue.
Green. What color does blue and yellow make? Blue and yellow mixed together make green. Nope, okay. You're so big. I'm so proud of you. You blow bubbles?
Too?
No, but I have a girlfriend who... Yeah, but it's not waterproof.
Red and blue mixed together make
Purple.
pop. Red